Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Wikigen, hub of crazy knowledge. Friends, nowadays everyone has network in their homes. Nowadays we can learn online courses in our mobiles and tablets. Similarly, in this video we are going to talk about 7 great online learning platforms to develop new skills. So friends, watch this video without skipping it. Without any delay, let's get into our topic.
First, Coursera.
Coursera is a worldwide online learning platform founded in 2012 by Stanford University's computer science professors that offers massive open online courses, specializations, degrees, professional and master-track courses. Coursera works with universities and other organizations to offer online classes, certifications, and degrees in a variety of subjects such as engineering, data science, machine learning, mathematics, business, computer science, digital marketing, humanities, medicine, biology, social studies, and others. Coursera was founded in 2012 by Stanford University computer science professors Andrew Ng and Daphne Koller. Ng and Koller were inspired by their experiences offering their Stanford courses online in fall 2011 and soon after left Stanford to launch Coursera. Princeton, Stanford, the University of Michigan, and the University of Pennsylvania were the first universities to offer content on this platform. It has since expanded to include specializations, collections of courses that build skills in a specific subject, as well as degrees and workforce development products for businesses and government organizations.
Second, Skillshare.
Skillshare is an American online learning community for people who want to learn from educational videos. The majority of courses focus on interaction rather than lecturing, with the primary goal of learning by completing a project. The main course categories include creative arts, design, entrepreneurship, lifestyle, and technology. Michael and Malcolm started Skillshare in New York City in November 2010. The site was live in April 2011. Previously, Michael led the product team at Hot Potato, a social media product by Facebook. Malcolm was product manager at OMG Pop. In 2011 August, Skillshare raised $3 million in Series A funding led by Union Square Ventures and Spark Capital. In late 2013, Skillshare has raised $4.65 million in funding and $6 million by February 2014, with financial co-led by Union Square Ventures and Spark Capital. Total funding reached 10. Third, Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. As of June 2020, the platform has more than 50 million students and 57,000 instructors teaching courses in over 65 languages. There have been more than 295 million courses enrollments. Students and instructors come from more than 190 countries, and 2/3 of the students are located outside of the US. Udemy was founded on May 2010. The headquarters of Udemy is located in San Francisco, California, with satellite offices in Denver, Colorado, Dublin, Ireland, Turkey, Paulo, Brazil, Gurgaon, India. In 2007, Udemy founder Eren Bali built a software for a living virtual classroom while living in Turkey. He saw potential in making the product free for everyone and moved to Silicon Valley to start a company 2 years later. The site was Fourth, Codecademy. Codecademy is an online interactive platform that offers free coding classes in 12 different programming languages, including Python, Java, Go, JavaScript, Ruby, SQL, C++, Shift, and SAS, as well as markup languages, HTML, and CSS. The site also offers a paid pro option that gives users access to personalized learning plans, quizzes, and realistic projects. Codecademy was founded in August 2011 by Jack Sims and Ryan Bubinski. Sims dropped out of Columbia University to focus on launching a venture, and Bubinski graduated from Columbia in 2011. The company headquarters in New York City raised $2.5 million in Series A funding in October 2011 and 10 million in Series B funding in June 2012. The latest round of funding was led by Index Ventures. Fifth, edX. edX is a massive open online course provider created by Harvard and MIT. It conducts research into learning based on how people use its platform. edX is a non-profit organization and runs on the free OpenEdX open source software platform. More than 150 schools, non-profit organizations, and corporations offer courses on the edX website. As of 28th July 2020, edX has around 33 million students taking more than 3,000 courses online. edX also has over 6,000 instructors on the platform with a presence of 196 countries represented worldwide. edX was founded in May 2012 by scientists from MIT and Harvard. Jerry Shushman, Anant Agarwal, Chris Terman, and Piotr Mitros taught the first edX course on circuits and electronics. In 2013, they partnered with Stanford, and in July 2013, they reached 1 million students. edX organization released as an open source, creating OpenEdX. On January 6th, Pluralsight. Pluralsight is an American publicly held online education company that offers a variety of video training courses for software developers, IT administrators, and creative professionals through its website. Founded in 2004 by Aaron Sconard, Keith Brown, Fritz Onion, and Bill Williams, the company had its headquarters in Farmington, Utah. As of July 2018, it uses more than 1,400 subject matter experts as authors and offers more than 6,500 courses in its catalog. Since first moving its courses online in 2007, the company expanded, developing a full enterprise platform and adding skills assessment modules. Pluralsight was founded in 2004 as a classroom training company that involved sending an instructor to a business or training event. By 2007, the company shifted its emphasis to online video training. 7th, FutureLearn. FutureLearn is a digital educational platform founded in December 2012. The company is jointly owned by the Open University and Seek Limited. It is a massive open online course learning platform, and as of June 2020, including 175 UK and international partners, including non-university partners. According to Financial Times, FutureLearn was the first platform to enable students to earn credits towards a degree from a top UK university from their tablets and smartphones. In April 2019, FutureLearn announced that Seek Limited would invest $50 million in the company. In return, Seek Limited would receive a 50% stake in the company.
Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Vicky signing off. Bye bye.